the cow one. I really want to go.
Check over everything with the phone.
Yeah, that's all good.
Kind of run out of time.
Okay. Thank you.
Maybe next time.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, really? Yeah.
Oops, sorry. Where should I put this? Here?
Yeah, you can put it inside. Thank you.
Well, I've already been sitting there for a little while.
Yeah, any arm is okay. What's your name?
Oh, Greta.
Greta. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Should I keep pressing?
No, you can just relax right now till I get used to it. Do you want to look or do you want to look the other way?
I think I'm gonna look the other way. As much as I like
And you're
needles.
squeezing, right?
Yeah.
This is going to feel a little bit tight right now. Rub it out a little bit. If you're squeezing a lot, or again, if you're big squeezes, hold the last one and move the way if you want like that. Push up here.
Okay, is that comfortable for you?
Thank you. And keep squeezing every once in a while?
Yeah.
I actually don't like needles that much, but I don't mind it, and a lot of people do, and a lot of people feel faint when they do it. So I think if I don't feel faint and I'm happy doing it, then I should do it all the more, because other people don't like it.
Yeah, I was on my way to get a Jamba Juice, and I saw the bus. You know, like my body is generating something that I have plenty of right now, and you know, I'm healthy enough today, thankfully, that I can, you know, keep making more. So it's real simple for me just to like give some of that to somebody else when it doesn't really cost me anything. I don't know, it's like I'm a plant or something. Yeah, I mean, you know, the last time I gave was like 4 or 5 years ago, so I've seen a few of them since then. And most of the time, like, I notice it and then I feel a little guilty, you know? I'm like, oh, I totally should do this, but I don't want the discomfort, or, you know, I don't have the time. Usually that's what I tell myself. I don't have the time, when, you know, I usually just go back to my office and watch YouTube or something like that.
I don't know, there's like, it's blood. It's not my favorite thing to think about, so I think the whole, like, the idea of the process is just kind of strange for me, but I think I'll be okay. I feel nervous, but I think I'm okay.
The very superficial thing is maybe I was asked, and then I'm like, oh, I'll get a cookie and I get juice out of it. Like, I'll do it at lunchtime too, which is, it's not out of my way, and it'll take like 20 minutes, a half hour. So I guess like a little bit of a carrot and a stick, but really a cup of juice and a cookie isn't much of a carrot and a stick. And then as I walk up, it's like there's a line of chairs outside the loud bus, and it's like, okay, I don't want to wait where they want me to wait, or even like as I was waiting on the steps of the bus to get my paperwork, there are the other people who had finished their paperwork and like could cut ahead, and I kind of wanted to well, I guess before I came over here, I went to the Andronicos and got a sandwich, and they have a wait line, and you pull a number, and like you kind of know where in that line you are.
Okay, put pressure there.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Alright, leave this wrap on for 4 hours.
Alright.
Make sure you keep it clean and dry. Drink plenty of fluids today and tomorrow. Don't skip any meals. No heavy lifting or strenuous exercise for the next 24 hours, okay?
Alright, thank you so much. Wow.
Alrighty. Orange juice, ice cream.
I'm good, thank you. I'll have a cookie though.
Sure, you can have cheese, you can have pretzel.
That's the whole point. We don't do this out of altruism. We do it for the cookies.